Hey guys, it's me Zoe.
It's me, Zaya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in the Army Vlogging thing. And also remember to trust God, and always remember what I said on my first and second video. Always pray and trust God. And if you notice, this is my second video of this day.
So today we are going to be playing some Squishy Magic.
And then tomorrow we will show it. It will be a secret. It will be a secret.
Yeah. Squishy Magic.
Dun dun.
Later.
Sweet.
So this is all of the squishies that
we made.
Yes.
Yeah. We made a lot of squishies right now, to be honest. Dun dun. Oh yeah.
So this is the squishy that I made. I made Doggy.
And I said to name it Doggy. Yeah. Oops, sorry for the app, guys.
It's not sponsored.
Everything is not sponsored. We just
So let me just turn this off.
Sure, why not?
And then I made this sprinkled waffle. And then I made the Pinky, the French fries. And then
She made that.
I made the sparkly pastel unicorn. And then I made the
Rainbow pastel donut.
yeah. What's this? Body?
No.
What's that?
Joey. Supposed to be Joey.
Doughy?
Yeah.
What? Body? What is that? Now I want to make another pizza. I mean another squishy. I want to make this sheep.
Okay, sure.
Let's go. Ow.
Sorry.
I hit my head on the wall.
Be careful next time.
Is there
And
like gold here?
No. Why do you want gold?
It's for the crown. Oopsies.
What are you doing? What were you doing and thinking?
No, just do it like that. Or
Yeah.
do it like glossy basic.
Yeah,
That's
glossy back.
better.
More better. Why?
Ew. What am I going to make him as? Oh.
She's good, okay? Yeah, not good at all. Nope.
No, not good.
How about let's make it the
Pastel
pastels, yeah.
color?
No, this and pink. Pink. Kind of nice.
Ew.
I mean, nice. That's nice. Come on.
Then let's do it purple ears.
Sure.
Oh. No.
I don't
That
feel-
good.
Yeah,
Then
that's
I'm going to go
so
to
better.
pink. I'm going to the pink area. I'm going to
pink.
color the
Cheeks
cheeks.
like blushes.
How about the face?
The face is also the same color as the body. Of course. Yeah, this kind.
Ew, it doesn't look good.
Technically. Wait. Sorry if the background music is lost, guys.
Yeah, but that's
purple, the
fine.
No,
Oh.
the path. There you go.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, very better. Why did you? You're supposed to make the arms pink instead.
No, they're all pink.
Ew.
Then let's go to basic. Cause we are going to do the
That's
what do you call
gloss
that?
basic.
The strawberry.
Yeah.
But the
black.
spots like that.
The spots are color.
How do you color the spots?
It's very hard.
Yeah, never mind. I won't do that anymore.
Yeah, I know.
So I want the background to be this. That's my most favorite one. What do you want to name her?
I don't know. You pick. I'm not sure what to name her. So, yeah. What are you doing?
Pinky.
And purpley, the shape. Because she has pink and purple.
Pinky Pearl.
Pinky pearl. Yeah, why not?
The
Sheep. Sheep, sheep,
Sheep.
sheep. Oh yeah, sheep, sheep.
Is that
sheep.
good? Pinky Pearl.
Yeah. Pinky pearl, the sheep.
Now let's go home. Then let's see. How did
Me
she
turn.
do? Oh, there was nothing at the spot, so I was right. And that's good. Now let's squish her.
I'm gonna squish it because you made it. Can I?
Yeah,
I'm gonna squish her face.
She's so cute.
Let's take off her crown.
No, we can't. Oh yeah, we can.
Ta-da! Now it's up.
Let's do this. Ta-da.
We need to turn it around. We turned it around.
But she has wrinkles. I don't like it.
What do you mean wrinkles?
Those lines, like those.
When you squish them and
Yeah, they create wrinkles. I don't like it.
but that's okay at least.
Yeah, but they're cute.
Yeah, I know.
So,
Yeah. Oopsies, what's
so guys, so we know that this video is just too short, but yeah, that's all the
Wait.
things that we are going to show.
So this is show them. I'm gonna show you what I made. First, I did the yum yum pizza, and then this body. What it's supposed to be doughy.
Bodhi.
So this is the controller. Supposed to be
Con-
controllery.
Conturoli.
Supposed to be controllery. But yeah.
Then I made this rainbow pastel donut.
And she made the pink powder sheet.
Pinky pearl.
And
I
I
love
made
it.
this roboti and I made fries.
Fry. Then she made pink and purple unicorn.
And
Then I made the sparkly pastel unicorn.
and I made this cutie waffle.
And then I
Waffly.
made this
Waffle.
waffy. I made this pinky, the french fries. Then I made sprinkled waffle.
And then I made the s'mores. And I made yum ice. Yummy ice.
Yummy ice.
I made the yummy marshy. And I made the yum cream. And I made the cutie. And I made the pink and purple bear. And I made the yummy donut. And I made Luna. And I made
And then
Strowy.
Sarawi.
Strowy. It's supposed to be Strowy.
And then I made Doggy, but the name is from my sister because she wanted to be Doggy. So
Yeah.
thank you for watching this video, and we hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe.
Like and share. And we're gonna do shout outs. And the
Shout out is our cousin. What is her name again?
Noreen Matarang.
Oh yeah, Noreen Matarang. So shout out
to you.
So
And your sister May May.
yeah. So thank you for watching this video again. And don't
Bye.
forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you later, guys. Bye.
Bye. What are you
I'm
doing?
so sorry.
Bye.
I thought that was the end. I'm so sorry, guys. Bye.
Bye.